There are three ways to take unfair advantage of the property tax appeal process in Georgia legally. The first way to take unfair advantage is to understand that in Georgia, there is a potential 3x multiplier effect for every tax appeal you file. However, it's not an automatic process. You have to learn enough to file a tax appeal and then see it through to its proper conclusion. A proper conclusion generally means you either settle your appeal with the tax assessor's office or attend a BOE hearing to get your 299C tax freeze. When you get that 299C tax freeze, you will not only reduce your current year value, but you lock it down for another 2 tax years. This is what I call the 3x multiplier effect. You file your tax appeal once, but you get the benefit for 3 tax years. It's quite powerful, but a lot of novices mess this up because they are fooled into abandoning their tax appeal too soon. The 3x multiplier effect is especially significant in higher appreciating areas, such as in the metro Atlanta area. Every subsequent year's property tax savings becomes more significant with the 299C tax freeze in effect. The second way to take unfair advantage is knowing where the critical points are of the tax appeal process. The 3 critical points of a tax appeal process are the 2 weeks prior to the BOE hearing, where you have the opportunity to settle your tax appeal, the BOE hearing itself, and the settlement conference. Covering each of these 3 critical points in detail is beyond the scope of this short video. I go into more detail in my book, Tax Freeze: How to File and Win Property Tax Appeals in Georgia. The final way to take unfair advantage of the tax appeal process is to religiously file tax appeals every 3 years. I learned this lesson the hard way several years ago. I missed 1 year thinking it wouldn't be a big deal, but it ended up being a big deal the following year. Because I missed that 1 year, the consequence and ripple effect became irreversible. Since then, I always keep track of when the 299C tax freeze ends. I never miss my 3-year property tax appeal cycle for every property. If you want to learn more about how you can take unfair advantage of property tax appeals in Georgia, my cat Jaggy recommends that you hit that subscribe button and check out my book, Tax Freeze: How to File and Win Property Tax Appeals in Georgia. It's less than $10 on Amazon for a Kindle ebook version. If you prefer a printed paperback version, it's available for a few dollars more.